So what is transpiring? Complete confusion as far as I'm concerned. We had this bearish bar, then we had a pin bar, then we had a hanging man. This is just a signal of complete confusion. Okay. Now I just want to drill down through the 8 hour and further. And you can see at the moment we are kind of just hovering here. I'm just going to do that. Okay, so that's kind of the range that we're in at the moment. We've sort of spiked up and we've come into this range. And we're just hovering in the middle of that range right now. We'll see that on the hour. Okay, so that picture is not a picture that I want to be trading. Okay, so there is nothing on offer here for me. You can see this up, down, up, down, up, down, all inside a range, all inside the previous bar. This is not a signal of a strong trend. It's really just a signal of treading water at the moment. The trend is up. Now that is for sure. You can see we are moving up. There's no debate about that. Price is moving up. Okay, so that's definitely the situation at the moment. But as far as I'm concerned, we're also consolidating here. So there's even a bigger triangle consolidation as well. Okay, now you get down to the hour. That's not price action you want to be trading. That's actually scary. It's actually worse than the S&P, to be honest with you. So you can see we're kind of hovering. The green line here is the current price. We're kind of hovering in between the highs and the lows, slap bang in the middle. Moving average is flat. When you see that kind of price action, move away. Unless you are a really good range trader, which I'm not, where you can pick the tops and the bottoms and you can get in and out. And there are people that are really good at it, that will be able to make money in this kind of environment. Me personally, I can't do that. So I tend to get myself in knots and I tend to get burnt often when in the range. So I just stay away from it. Rather look for a trend. It's easier, it's less stressful. And when the price moves up like this, it's quite easy to take a retest of all the breaks and just go with the trend. Okay, so it kind of just sums up where I am today with the US markets at the moment is money in pocket, sit on the side, and watch what happens. I'm going to need to see a break above this area here. So this 25,530, I'm going to see a break above it and a retest. Okay, so I need to see price move up, come back down, give me some positive price action off this level, and then I'd be looking at carrying on with the longs. Shorts, I'm not really interested in shorts at the moment. This trend is way too strong for shorts. I'm going to have to see sort of a break below 25,000 and a retest of 25,000. And that's going to have to happen on a 3-hour chart before I even look at going short in this market. Okay, so trend is up. We are consolidating at the moment. So what we're looking for is a break of a consolidation, or alternatively, a pullback back into a deeper form of structure somewhere down in this area here. So somewhere in between 24,763 and 24,924. Yeah, so if we can get a breakdown, that would more than likely looks like the height of the triangle back into this area here. So this area would offer some great opportunities to get long again. This area here doesn't offer us anything. Okay, and I'm just going to close off on the 15-minute chart because that's going to be even clearer to you. So you can see sideways, lots of tails up, lots of tails down, and you can see I started on Friday with this nonsense here. And you see there are buyers coming in. There are buyers coming in. So, this is where the range traders are pretty good. You're seeing price action off the bottom of the range and then taking the trade and getting it out on the top. What I tend to do too often is anticipate that it's going to break through out of the range and sort of hold the trade, and I always end up with either break even or my stop being taken. So I've just taken the decision I don't do ranges. Okay, but you can see even on the 15-minute moving average is not pointing up, not pointing down. It's just like meandering sideways. So that's clearly a range in any time frame. So it's a 15, it'll be the 30, and I haven't refreshed the data there, but it'll be there. There you see 30, it'll be the hour, it'll be the 3 hour. The trend line here, sorry, the moving average is slightly moving up, and we are using it as support. But yeah, I want to see a break above there before I start getting in on this. Okay, so anyway, guys, that's consolidating. Be careful, be cautious. If you're a range trader, those are your levels. Trade them, make money. And if you're a trend trader, you're looking to follow my strategy, wait for the break. Okay, when you see the break, 25,521, don't chase the break, wait for it to come back onto structure and then move on. If it doesn't come back, tough luck, it will come back to structure somewhere along the line, and that'll get you in. Okay, anyway, guys, that's it for me today. I hope it helps, and we will catch you later. Cheers for now.